Hello, good morning giraffes, good morning elephants. I hope everybody's well and happy Wednesday. Today we have a very fun activity. We're gonna identify some noise. So it's a game. What we need to do, I'm gonna make a noise with something, an object, and then you need to tell me what's this noise coming from. So you need to listen with your ears very well and then guess, okay? So I'm sure you're gonna get it all right. Okay, let's start. The first, what do you think this is? Can you tell me what this is? What's this sound? What's it coming from? Yeah, it's a guitar. Well done, everyone. Very good. Okay, next. Listen carefully, okay? The next is... What's this? What's the sound of this? Do you know what it is? It's foil crunched up. The noise of the foil. Very good, everyone. Yeah. Very good. Excellent. Can you tell me what this is? The next noise? One moment. Wait. I'm here. Can you tell me what this is? What can it be? It's a switch for the light. Yeah! Well done, everyone. So good. Okay, the next one. Can you guess what this is? Okay, one moment. One moment. Listen carefully. What do you think this is? Yes, it's water. Look, I have water. I empty it into another cup like this. Listen, shh, quiet. The sound of the water. Yeah. Well done, everyone. Very good. So we know the sound of the guitar. We know the sound of the foil crunched up. And the water. We know the sound of the water. And last of all, we know the sound of the switch. Yeah! Very good. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Mwah, mwah. Big kiss to all. Mwah.